back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State, but it's nighttime, so it's Moonlight State of Florida. And welcome back to another Tool Time Thursday. I'm in my garage. The garage door is closed because it is freezing here. It's like in the 40s. Beanie, I was freezing. But as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, future uploads, like, comment, share, and enjoy the vids. So this week's Tool Time Thursday, we're gonna do a brake disc, not a brake disc, a brake caliper compressor tool. It's a brake disc, combination brake disc. So where this tool come in handy is, a lot of the new cars, they have the pistons that you have to push in, but not only push in, but you also have to twist to get them in sometimes. So this one will help you with that. And this is the Matco tools. That's the part number. As you know, I love Matco and Snap-on tools. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you can see what this tool is. So there it is. It has the main part, and then it also have these three little discs, which I wouldn't say discs, but these are the part that you put on the gun. I'll show you how that goes. But it has different sizes where the hole is. So this is for the different calipers. So every manufacturer caliper is a little bit different depending on where the slots are for this to sit in on the brake caliper to twist it in to get that piston in. So when you do a brake change, you'll be able to get the piston in to get it to go back on to the rotor. So they have the different sizes. So I'm out here, I'm trying to do all of this with one hand. I say it's going to be a fairly quick video. So this is the main tool right here. So what you do, you have that, you put this on here. Come on, you can do it, mate. Oh no, not on there. Let me get it on here. All right, so that's on there. And now what do you do is you'll squeeze this in and you'll see it going in. But as you squeeze it, you'll take a socket or even a wrench and you turn this right here. So you'll turn this, and what it in turn do, it spins that that caliper piston back in as you're putting pressure on the piston. So this comes in handy. I say a lot of the new cars, they have not only where you just used to back in the day, all you have to do is just take some C-clamps or some channel lock, squeeze it in, and it'll go in. But a lot of the new cars now, they have it where you have to physically twist this on the piston to get it to go in. So there it is, quick and simple brake disc. I say brake disc, but it's just a brake pad install tool from Matco. Nothing too cosmic. Anybody could use it with, basic knowledge. So there it is, guys. A quick Tool Time Thursday brake combination disc kit. Simple at-home brake disc change. You could use that kit, especially with the newer vehicles that have the twist and piston. So you need to put pressure and twist at the same time. Makes your job so much easier. So with that, you'd be in and out, done with it. And as usual, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Like, share, and subscribe, bell icon, ding, future uploads. And thanks for watching another Tool Time Thursday. Until the next one, guys, I'm out. Peace.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen. She lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder. She wrote it. Still up with courage. You're doing a service. Pull up to the crib. I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like a